So now it's time to learn how to delete everything from a file that contains data. For example, this file, as you can see, it contains text. What if you want to delete everything from that file? Well, we can do that by creating a new function. Let me remove this, and then let me create a new function that will delete everything from a file. So here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new function, def, and then I'm going to say clear file, and I'm going to pass obviously the path. We need the only parameter that we want is the path, and it's very simple. Deleting everything from a file is very simple. All you need to do is that you need to open the file in the right format and then write nothing to it. Here in this function, we opened the file in the append format, meaning that it will keep, if we call this function, it will keep the old data, which is the first line, and then it's going to append a new piece of data to it. But if you open the file in a write mode, it's going to write a new thing to it, and it's going to erase everything. It's going to remove everything, eliminate everything from that file. It's going to erase everything from that file, and it's going to be empty, and then it's going to pass the new data that, or the new text that you are going to pass to the write function if you want to pass any. So what we want to do is that we want to open the file. We want to open the file in the write mode, and as you can see, we pass the path, and then we store that in a variable called f, and then we can simply just close that file. So we open it, and then we write nothing to it, and then we close it. That's it. So now let's test that by let's test that on this file, because this file has two lines. We have here 2 lines of text inside that file. So if you want to delete these two lines, we can call clear file, and then we can pass the path. The path is wiki and then tests.txt, and then we can save, and then let's run our script. So now if I run our script, guess what? If you go to the text, if you go to the test.txt, you will find that nothing is there. Everything has been removed from that file because we called the clear file function. So this clear file is obviously going to delete everything from a file.